Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Lauren. I hope that you're all continuing to stay healthy and safe and well. Today's video is going to be a luxury holiday gift guide, and all the items are under the $1,000 Canadian price point. I'm really excited. I have a variety of different categories as well, and within each category, I tried to choose an item that was sort of closer to the $1,000 mark, and then another item that I think is very comparable, closer to the sort of the $200, $300 mark. So you do have some options as well. This video is in partnership with Farfetch, and I'm so grateful to be working with them again, which means I'll also have a discount code that I can leave for you so you can save 10% off your first order. And I was able to choose some really amazing pieces that I think fit into this wish list perfectly. If you haven't shopped on Farfetch before, you definitely need to. Essentially, it's a single platform that allows you access to thousands of different luxury brands, different online retailers, department stores, small boutiques across the globe. So I feel like no matter what you search for, you're probably going to find it there. If it's sold out at like a local department store, search on Farfetch. I can almost guarantee that you're going to find it there. I really also like they are able to support some small boutiques that may have been suffering due to the pandemic. So it's just a great way to sort of give back and support some small businesses that perhaps are suffering. Some of the reasons why I personally love the Farfetch site is because they have a pre-owned section. So if you love vintage bags like I do, they have an amazing selection. As well, they also have their positively conscious section. So those items are going to be luxury, but they're also going to be sustainable and earth friendly, and I love that they're taking that approach. Another really cool thing about Farfetch is that essentially when you go through the checkout, what you see, the price at the end, is what you pay. So they include all the duties, the shipping, customs, everything like that. So you're not hit at the door, or when you go to pick it up at like the post office, you're not hit with any additional fees. I really love that. And the shipping's fast. The shipping took 2 days to get to me. So it's amazing. I love Farfetch. Again, I will leave you my code so you can save 10% off. I'm going to start with the cold weather accessories, and I have 2 items to show you from different price points. One more affordable, and please note when I say affordable, really that means something different for every single person. So take that with a grain of salt. Both items are toques. I call them toques, perhaps you call them beanies, but I just picked this one up last week, so I've only worn it once. I picked it up during the sale season, but it is by Ganni. I really like Ganni because I feel like a lot of their items are responsibly sourced. So this one is primarily recycled wool. It is very thick. It is very cozy. This one retails for $135 Canadian, but you can also save some money using my Farfetch code as well. I'm going to put it on for you. It's probably going to mess up my hair, but we're doing this because, oh, hold on. We're doing this because then you can get a really good idea of what it looks like. So I really like the high peak that it gives. I like that look, but you could definitely pull it down a little lower. And I just love the gray. I think it goes with everything, and it's just also a good gray. Sometimes it can be a little bit, ooh, now my hair is a mess. The second toque I want to show you is this one here by Balenciaga. I love this one. I showed you this one in my first Farfetch haul. It is amazing. It is so soft. Both of them are made in Italy. I should also mention that, but you can feel a vast difference between this one here, the Balenciaga, compared to the Ganni. This one is just so much softer. This is from the men's side, but I mean, I feel like the vast majority of these sort of beanies or toques are unisex. So here it is on me. You can see it has the logo there. I feel like with the blue and the black, it's a little bit more discreet as compared to sort of the sort of beigey taupey color they have with the black lettering, but I really like this. This one retails for $350 Canadian. They do have some that also range from like the $325 to the $350 mark, but this one in particular is $350 Canadian. So I would recommend both of those. And then let's move on to the small leather goods. I will be showing you one of the new items that I got from Farfetch. So it is by Balenciaga because I love Balenciaga. Here it is in its cute little dust bag. This dust bag is so small and cute. This one shipped to me from a Browns in the Netherlands, and like I said, it took 2 days to get to me, so super fast shipping. It also comes with all the authenticity cards on the inside. But this is it right here. This is from the new season. So as you can see, it's this beautiful sort of mint green. It's getting blown out a little bit on camera, but it's a beautiful mint green sort of faux croc embossed wallet. It's actually called the mini wallet. Just remove this little part in there. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it is a fairly small little compact wallet. You can see the size of my hand. When you open up this first part here that says Balenciaga, essentially what you get is a place to put some cards or perhaps some coins. And you snap that one closed. You have a little slot here. I don't really know what you could put in here, maybe some cash if you folded it up. And then if you go to the other side and you open it, it actually opens into a sort of a full wallet. So I think that's amazing. And there are card slots. So if you open up that wallet part, there are card slots on the inside. So there's 1, 2, 3 card slots. So you could definitely put cards here and then cash. And then in that first little part that I showed you here, you could put your coins. So really quickly, I'm just going to fill it up. So in this first little flat pocket, I did put some coins. You could definitely fit a lot more, but I just sort of grabbed whatever I had in my wallet. And then if you open up the back, you have that full-size sort of compartment there for a bill, and then I put 3 cards into the slots there, but I checked, you could also fit another card behind there very easily. So I feel like this is just such a great little compact wallet. Like, look at the size of my hand compared to it. Now it is like a little bit chubbier, but it is really easy to fit into sort of all my mini bags because you know I love mini bags. So I just think this is a great piece, and I do have my Balenciaga, I think it's called the Nano City Classic bag, but the motorcycle style bag that I love. I have it in this croc embossed leather, and it is so durable. So I think this is perfect to go with that. But in general, this is such a great little mini wallet, and the price of this is also really good. So this is $550, and again, remember, this is all leather. So I feel like this is a really great option if you're looking for a compact wallet, but you're able to put full-size bills into it. The more affordable option I don't have, I'm going to put it on the screen right now, but I think it is fairly comparable to this Balenciaga mini wallet, and it is the Marc Jacobs Mini the Snapshot Compact Wallet. I really like the all black version of it, so the black leather as well as the black hardware, but it comes in a multiple different colors. The price point is also really good too. It retails for about $238 Canadian. I really like the option of being able to put bills in it, as well as having a zipper compartment for your coins. So I think the price point for this, as well, it being leather, I think it's just a good option. So I think either the Balenciaga or the Marc Jacobs would make a beautiful gift to give somebody. Last item in the small leather good category is an agenda, and it is by The Line. Look at this gorgeous dust bag. The Line is based here in Vancouver, so I love being able to support a local brand. I have talked about The Line before, and I've talked about the founder, Reza. She is amazing. So she actually sent this to me, and I'm going to be gifting it to one of my subscribers. But it is their brand new Saffiano leather agenda. This is so beautiful, the leather in this. Like, oh, it's so durable. Saffiano leather in general is fairly durable, but this leather is just so luxe. And so when you open it up, it does have gold tone hardware. I don't really want to touch it too much, obviously, because it is brand new and I'm giving it away. It just says The Line on the inside there, and there's a place to put like business cards. And then on this side here, it has some slots for you to put some stickers, some important documents, some papers, receipts, and things like that. But I think that this is just so stunning. This fits any of the A5 sized inserts, so I'm really so thankful for Reza for gifting this to me and being able to then pass it on to one of my lovely subscribers. So definitely check them out. They have so much stationery. I will also link my 2022 agenda video down below, and it's featuring all the different inserts from The Line. So It's an amazing brand. I have purchased items from them on my own, and I will continue to, just like I said, because I love to support woman-owned local business, especially because, like I said, Reza is just so kind and so generous, but I also really love the product. Before we get into the bags, I want to show you just a couple of jewelry pieces. This is by Ana Luisa. This is the Michelle Choi collab. It's the Dobby necklace. I will list it down below. This one is by Maud and Joe. And then on my ears, I have a couple of different options. This is the Mini Rocks by Ana Luisa, and then this here is the Jade by Ideal. So the stud is not by Ideal. The stud I can't take out yet and use my Ideal stud because this piercing is only 4 weeks old. I have to wait 6 weeks. But this bottom part here, this beautiful diamond sort of attachment, in addition, that is the Jade by Ideal. So some jewelry options too, if that is your thing. So last but definitely not least, I have the handbags. The first handbag I have to show you is by Mulberry. This is my first Mulberry piece. I'm so excited. This came to me from Farfetch. It shipped from the United Kingdom from Browns. Again, 2-day shipping, so fast. I have not ever looked at any Mulberry pieces. I've seen them through Chase Amy. She loves a lot of Mulberry pieces, and I really trust her opinion. So when I saw this on the Farfetch site, I fell in love. I fell in love with the color, first of all. So there are straps, or there is a strap, it's on the inside, but this color is just beautiful. So the color itself is called Apricot. This bag is called the Small Darlie Satchel. They do also have a regular Darlie handbag as well. It has the Postman lock there. It says a Mulberry. It still has a sticker on, and then the strap on the inside is one of the reasons why I chose this. So it sort of has this cool guitar strap where it has the fabric, and then it has some leather detailing there. And then on the bottom it says Mulberry, which I just love that touch. It says Mulberry, England, and then it has this sort of antique gold hardware. I'm not joking you. When I saw this, I fell in love with it. It is stunning, and I feel like, oh, this will transition through every single season. Why have I not looked at Mulberry before? I feel like as a brand, they are completely underrated because this leather is just so supple and so beautiful. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, that beautiful apricot color. And then on the inside, it has the authenticity. And then it has 3 card slots in there. And then that is it. And then on the back, oh, it also says Mulberry, England there, which is a beautiful touch. And on the back, it also has a spot for you to put like perhaps a parking note or maybe a credit card that you want to kind of keep against your body for extra safety. I feel like this guitar strap just makes it look a little bit more modern and a little bit edgier, so it really will go with my style. I'll show you a couple of pictures with me trying this on so you can sort of see what it looks like. This is not an adjustable strap, so that's why I really want to show you what it would look like on me. I am 5'5", so you can use that as your reference, but they do make one with an all leather strap, and that one is adjustable. So if this is a little bit too short or too long, you can definitely look at that option. Here is the Small Darlie satchel on me. You can see I'm wearing a fairly thick, heavy sweatshirt and a very large, oversized, thick type of a wool jacket. You can see where it hits on me. I like my handbags to hit higher up. I just like the look that it gives. And this one hits perfectly. I love the detailing there, the leather detailing. It just, like I said, gives it more of that sort of modern look. So you can sort of see what it looks like on me. The price point on this one ranges. So it ranges from $880 to 1,050 Canadian, depending on the color. Again, also depending on the type of strap that you get. But I just think that this is so gorgeous. Like the leather, like I said, it's so soft, but it's also pebbled. So I feel like it's going to be so durable. And I have 2 more other handbags to show you. So, and the next handbag is similar in price point. It is by Jacquemus. This one is fairly new to me as well. This is Le Grand Bambino. So the largest size in white. Again, this is an all leather handbag. For the price point of this being just over $800 Canadian and all leather, I think it is just such great value for what you're getting. Honestly, it's beautiful leather, great craftsmanship. You can see that it has a pocket in the back, very similar to the Mulberry one I showed you. It has a magnetic snap closure right there, and it's fairly secure. The inside as well also has the one pocket in there. This one has an adjustable strap, as you can see. It is removable as well, so if you wanted to customize it, it has like a shinier gold compared to the Mulberry. You can kind of see a little bit of the difference there. But again, for the price, I think that this is such a great all leather option. And finally, we have one of my favorite bags, and it is fairly affordable. I've talked about it so many times. It is the Marc Jacobs, the small tote bag. This is just such an amazing workhorse of a bag. I use this primarily for my work bag, and it has been amazing. It has held up so well. Sorry, I have a lot of work stuff in there so you can kind of hear it, but it has held up so well. I will say it does attract lint, which is possibly the only downside to it. I have multiple videos on this. This is just such a great bag, and they've come up with so many different options. So there's like the mini, there's a larger size, they have it in shearling, they have it in all leather. Marc Jacobs has really sort of nailed this bag, this tote bag in particular. The price point of this one, it is $235 Canadian. You really can't beat that for such an amazing bag. There's so much space on the inside. There's so many little small pockets, so you can really stay organized. And I love that it has an adjustable strap, so you can wear it crossbody over the shoulder, or you can also carry it as a tote. So definitely check out this handbag as well in the leather pieces. I think the mini all leather Marc Jacobs tote is just under $500 Canadian. I hope that this gift guide helped you pick up some ideas for some last minute gifts. Again, please check out all the links below. I will link everything, and also check out my Farfetch code. I will leave it here one last time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.